project for the garage. We don't have a storage solution for all of our long-handled garden and lawn tools, so I found a really good video on YouTube, I'm going to link it in the description, of a project where you use a pallet to make like a little storage rack for them. So that way we don't just like lean them up on the wall and they bang up the wall and get the wall dirty and ruin all of our work we just did. So that is today's project. I have to get used to using power tools. I'm still intimidated by that. I think I'm going to use a reciprocating saw for most of this. The video I'm going to link, she uses a circular saw, but after I tried it on the bench, the workbench, I just want to try something a little easier, and I feel like that could be easier for me. So I'm going to include some footage of me making this today, and hopefully it goes well. Okay, it's all done. I did this 95% myself. My husband helped me when I struggled. So we cut 2 of these off. Well, I guess I did. And we used what came off of that as feet. So there's 1 foot. Sorry, the lighting. There's the other one. And then there's some behind it. And we actually made the back ones shorter than the front ones so that it could be more against the wall. And then we found that the tools were like swinging a lot sideways. So then my husband had the idea to add these little slats, I guess. So we just put some in there real quick just for this side. These are kind of shorter over here, so we're not really having too many problems. And then I also have an extra one of these. I don't know why, the homeowner just left it, and I figured I could recycle it to hang stuff from. It's a few days later, many days later. I need to finish this up. This is the cabinet that I redid, kind of.
Oh.
What?
That's cool.
You think so?
Yeah.
I need to put handles on that.
Ooh.
And these are the handles. They don't match at all. I just got whatever I could at Habitat for Humanity. And the distance between the little holes for the screws is different than what was on here. So I gotta drill a couple holes. 8 a.m. It's really early. Well, that's not really early, but I'm up early. And I wanted to show you. Look! We finally got it hung up. And we're calling it our PPE cabinet. Let me give you a tour. So over here, we have gloves, we have ear protection, a lot of masks back there. We need a respirator at some point. And then on the left side, we have a lot of gloves and then more goggles. And I have these things here that I cut. And I want to make them to be little hangers for the ear protection, like some sort of situation like this. And then you can just hang the ear protection on it. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. Right now, I want to try to build a clamp rack. Do I know how? No. Have I watched a lot of YouTube videos and think I can figure it out? Also no. I truly don't know. But I want to learn how to build things, and this is a perfect project to do so. And we have a ton of scrap wood. Let me give you another tour. We've been demoing a lot, so we have a lot of scrap wood. And I'm sure I can figure out stuff to make with that. I will try that today. And it's ironic I'm being quiet because I'm trying not to wake up my husband, but I'm about to use power tools. So, look at my new toy also. What am I gonna do with that? I don't know. I'm a little scared of it still. I've only made one cut on it. I've been watching a ton of like safety videos. I read the manual front to back, and I'm still scared of it, which is good. You should have a healthy fear of it. I keep hearing you have to have a healthy fear of power tools, but like don't be too scared of them, respect them. So last night, to hang the cabinet, we had to cut these guys. There's like a long strip along the wall that these are mounted to. So I used a chop saw for that, which was also my first time using that. And then we have, I don't know what to call these, those on the top and the bottom of each cubby to reinforce. And we had to use the table saw to rip that because it was a 2x4. So I used the table saw to rip those and then the chop saw to cut them to length. And I did it. And I'm feeling more confident. So things are coming together slowly but surely. What? Look, it's okay. Look, it's all right. It's okay. Look, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, you're being weird.